This is the very famous Patapat Bridge here in Ilocosur. Ay, Ilocos Norte pala.
Magkaiba ba Ilocosur tsaka Ilocos Norte?
Yan, ang sikat na dinadayo nila. Yan. Dito sa baba niya, dagat. Baby, I'm slanting in the dark. Silver blues. Silver on the ground. Listening to our favorite song. Stranger love to lips. I whispered underneath my breath. You heard me telling you perfect tonight. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets. To carry love, carry children along. 'Cause we are still kids, but we're so in love. Fighting against all odds.
Tapos na tumamata tayo po doon.
Windmill.
Tapos,
Bigyan nyo naman yung papa nyo. Kayo naman lamang kayo ng lamang. Hindi nyo mambigyan. Ba't hindi ka bumili ng short mo? Taberlog. Hindi yung ganyan na. Nakapantalo ka. Napakainit-init lang. Parachute. Nakaparachute ka pa. Nakapambukit. Perfect tonight. Wala pang short. Doon na mga 6 packet. Ganun yung mga short. Dati, alana.
Dami.
O, asan?
Kaya tayo.
Asan? Asan nga?